Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a review about the newly launched Chamber Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. So liquid lipsticks are the current rage and I am totally in love with liquid lipstick. So Chamber has launched them in 18 shades, which is really good. So I have never seen any company launch so much variety of shades, and the shades are really beautiful, and everybody who goes there will love a shade or two of their choice. So these lipsticks retail for 845 rupees for 5 ml of product. So they come in a cardboard box packaged like this, wherein you get the shade number and the color over here. They do not have shade names, so which is a bummer. I really love my lipsticks to have shade names, but then yeah. So this is how the actual packaging looks like. I feel the packaging is very classy. It comes in a plastic tube which looks like glass. It's a see-through plastic packaging wherein you can see the actual product and color of the lipstick. And like I said, they do not have shade names, they just have shade numbers like 431, 402 and 482. So it would have been great if they had shade names as well. So coming to the wand, it is a doe foot applicator like this, which makes it very easy to apply and very convenient to use. So I have 4 of these shades which I'll be swatching on my hands and lips as well, and showing it to you guys as how they look on me. 402. So that is how 402 looks like. It's a beautiful pinky nude color, which is an everyday kind of a lipstick. So that is how 402 looks like on my lips. It's a beautiful pinky nude color which can be used for an everyday use. They also say that this particular lip shade is an exact dupe for Kylie Jenner's lip kits, which is in the shade Posy K. So this color is going to suit all skin types from fair to medium to dark. So this is the first color which I have. The second shade which I'm gonna swatch is this one right here. It's a beautiful brownie pink color. It's the kind of lip colors which is on trend right now. This is how 483 looks like on my lips. I really love how it looks like on my lips, and it's gonna suit all types of skin tones from fair to medium to dark. On the fairer skin tones, it's gonna be a little more darker. On the medium skin tone, it's gonna look like this, and on the darker skin tones, it's going to be a nice my lips but better kind of a color. So I really love this shade, that is number 483. I would say this is one of my favorite shades which I own. So the next shade which I'm gonna swatch is number 482. That is how 482 looks like. Again, it's a beautiful brown cocoa kind of a color. That is a perfect Kylie Jenner lips which is on trend right now. Looks like on my lips. It's a beautiful warm cocoa kind of a color which is gonna suit again all types of skin tones, and I'm totally in love with all the shades that I've got, and I can't wait to check out the other shades as well. So this is the perfect kind of a brown color which is again trending. I've not seen these kind of colors in the Indian market, so I am really impressed with these colors and these lipsticks. It's really amazing. The last shade which I'm going to swatch for you guys is number 431. So that is how 431 looks like. It's a beautiful orangey kind of a red color, which is one of my favorite shades again. So that is how number 431 looks like. Again, it's a beautiful shade. It's a perfect orangey kind of a red color which is gonna suit all kinds of skin tones. I know I have said this, but most of the colors what I have got and what is there in the range is gonna suit almost all the skin tones. So this is again a beautiful shade. So coming to the more general review of the product, I would say these lipsticks are one of the best liquid lipsticks that I've ever used. They are, even though they are a matte finish, they are very comfortable on the lips. It takes a minute or two for them to be extremely matte, and after that it does not budge. It does not go anywhere for around 6 to 7 hours. It is a very pigmented. Just one swipe is enough to get the full opacity, and it stays on for a very long time. And I also have used this without a lip balm, so it's not at all drying on the lips like other liquid lipsticks, which is very impressive. However, given the fact that they are liquid lipsticks, it may dry out your lips maybe after a while, so I would highly suggest you to moisturize your lips well before using any liquid lipstick. So if you are a kind of person who does not like touch-ups, who do not like reapplying their lipsticks, this is the one to go for, because I can assure you for 6 to 7 hours it's not going to go anywhere from your lips. After that, I would say it would fade out a little bit, but it will not crack, or it will not make your lips really drying, I would say. So it's after 6 to 7 hours, it's gonna leave a beautiful stain behind, which is again a great thing. So these liquid lipsticks cannot be removed using a normal makeup remover. You have to use an oil-based makeup remover to remove these lipsticks. So all in all, as you guys can see, I'm totally bowled over. I'm in love with these lipsticks. They have done an amazing job on these lipsticks. The pigmentation, the longevity, and everything, the packaging, everything is great. The only thing which is a little bit on the downside is that they do not have names, but then I'm okay with it because the product itself is A1 and I'm totally impressed with this. I can't really wait to try the other shades. So I would suggest you guys to highly go and find one shade that you love, because they have around 18 shades. I'm sure you will find the one you love. So that's it for my review on these Chamber Extreme Wear transfer proof lipsticks. So I hope you guys found it helpful, and I really hope it helped you guys. So that's it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.